In modern times, number of people have started using medical kits to determine signs of ill health at their home. This has made life easier for a number of people who don't have to run to laboratories and diagnostic centers now and then. This is, of course, by no means to encourage self-diagnosis or self-treatment, but certainly it may help such people to know when they have to see their doctor. Most of the kits involve taking samples of blood, urine, or saliva and applying to the kit as directed. At home, the tests, which are usually done by public, are for the disorders of high cholesterol and to locate certain infections before symptoms occur. This will help in having treatment earlier before it becomes serious, and it may also help to curb down the spread of infectious diseases. Pregnancy test kits determines the presence of a hormone called HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin, in the urine of a lady. This is one of the most widely used kits used at home. HCG is normally produced during pregnancy. In this test, you have to hold a strip in the urine. This determines whether one is pregnant. Blood sugar test kit. This determines your blood sugar level in no time. These days, this monitor has become very popular among the diabetic patients. This useful kit has helped these people to escape from harrowing endless visits to the laboratories to determine their blood sugar levels. Friends, you know that if glucose gets high or gets too low, it may be dangerous for life. To perform this test, you have to prick your finger with the device supplied with the kit. Place the blood on the strip inserted into an electronic meter with a digital display of the blood sugar level. Blood pressure kit has also become very popular and has become very common household apparatus. It is available both in traditional mercurial as well as the modern display models. The above mentioned equipments are the most commonly used equipments at home. There are number of other kits also which people are using at home, but it is suggested that any positive findings should be counter-checked at the laboratories. Thank you for joining. If you find my video up to the mark, please subscribe.